Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of database management system, today we are starting with database system architecture. So before starting the actual chapter, we'll be looking into some terms that are very necessary for this chapter. So let's get started. So first one is data. So what exactly is data? So data is a fact that can be recorded or stored, that is name of a person, age, gender, weight, etc. So data can be anything, that is person's name, age, gender or weight. Okay. So now when we have data, the question arises, is the word information and word data same? So let's see what exactly is information in technical terms. Information. When the data is processed, organized, structured or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, it is called information. So data is actually a raw form of information, or let's say facts, raw facts. When we process the data and then we organize it and structure it in a given context, that if we want a certain type of data, then when we organize it so as to make it useful for some process, that is known as information. The next is database. That is actually the useful term over here, because as we say database management system. So what exactly is database? So database is a collection of interrelated, that is logically related data. So what do you mean by interrelated or logically related over here is that one type of data, so that if I am using names of people, then single similar type of data collection of that is known as a single database. For example, books database in library, student database in university, etc. So this is what database is. Now you might think that if database is a collection of interrelated data, what is actually database management system? That is DBMS. The name of the actual subject. What is DBMS? That is database management system. So what exactly is this term then? A database management system is a collection of interrelated data and the set of programs to manipulate those data. I am repeating it again. A database management system is a collection of interrelated data, that is database, and set of program to manipulate those data. So DBMS is actually sum total of database plus set of programs. That is MS SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, SQLite, MongoDB, etc. So now we saw that what is data, what is information, what is database, what is database management system. Now there should be some index referring to all this collection of data, right? So for that we call that as metadata. So let's see what exactly is metadata. So metadata is data about data. So that is actually index sort of form. So data such as table name, column name, data type, authorized user and user access privileges for any table of data is known as metadata for that table. So in general, in very layman language, you can say is metadata is data about data, that is index of any database, that it says that in the given database what all information are given. Okay, so that is metadata. Now as you may know that whenever we have a collection of information, we make a dictionary, like we have Oxford dictionary, Cambridge dictionary. Okay, so here also we have data dictionary. So let's see what exactly is data dictionary in technical terms. The term data dictionary. So data dictionary is information repository which contains metadata. Data dictionary is information repository which contains metadata. It is usually a part of system catalog. So this is what is data dictionary. Now let's see one more term over here, that is data warehouse. As you all know that we have lots of books, right? Okay, example, we have lots of books, then we have a small library with us where we store all the books, right? So that is actually warehouse of books. A library is warehouse of books. So what is actually the warehouse of all these databases? Then that is known as data warehouse. So data warehouse is an information repository which stores data. It is designed to facilitate reporting and analysis. Okay, so now there is one more term related to it, is field. Now what is field then? A field is a character or a group of characters that have specific meaning. It is also called a data item. It is represented in database by a value. For example, customer ID, name, society, city are all fields of our customer data. So whenever you are creating a data or database, there is a single field is known as a single cell of information is known as field. Okay, as we have in Excel that all the single cells we store information in. So all those cells of information are known as fields. Then we now these fields are the main title. Okay, so main title is customer ID, name, society, city, etc. Now what is record? Last thing we are saying is record. So record is collection of logically related fields. For example, collection of fields like ID, name, address and city forms a record for a customer. So let's say if I have to store my details, so my name, my ID, my address and my city are all different fields, but then they all belong to me. So it is a cumulative record for me. Okay, so a record is a collection of logically related fields. So these are the very important terms that we'll be using very much in this entire series. So it's important that you note them down with their definitions. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content to Technostic. Also like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video notifications. Thank you.